Hey guys, it's Johnny18. Today I'm going to show you how to reset a UE Blast speaker. First, power on your speaker by pressing the big circle on the top. Press the plus and the minus and the little Bluetooth button next to the power button for at least 6 seconds until it resets. Once it's reset and the LED has gone off, press the big circle on the top of your speaker.
Hi there. Please download the Ultimate Ears app on your mobile device to set up your speaker.
Because it's in pairing mode. As you can see, the pairing light's flashing. It's waiting for another phone or another device to pair to it. And that's how you reset a UE Blast speaker. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more Johnny IT videos, and bye for now.